Namaskar. Let's discover Varanasi with us. You all must be aware about the flagship project on Kashi Vishwanath corridor in Varanasi. Kashi Vishwanath is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga of Lord Shiva. The temple holds a great value in Hinduism. However, the city itself is a subject of study for many scholars and researchers. Let's have a short overview about Varanasi and see what makes it so special. If Hinduism has a spiritual capital, it's Varanasi. As per mythological belief, the city is 5000 years old. Kashi was ancient kingdom during both Ramayana and Mahabharata. In Ramayana, Varanasi was the kingdom of Sumitra, the mother of Lakshman and Shatrughan. However, during Mahabharata, it was mentioned as a city for Kashya, who had three daughters, Amba, Ambika and Ambalika. In their Swayamvar, Bhishma kidnapped them and took them to Kuru kingdom for his stepbrother Vichitra Varya. Apart from Hinduism, Varanasi is also very famous for Buddhism. Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon after enlightenment in Sarnath, which is located very near to Varanasi. For Jainism also, Varanasi holds a special place as it is the birthplace for 23rd Tirthankar, Lord Parshvanath. Kashi is a holy place where worship of Lord Shiva is prominent. A very well-known fact about Varanasi is it is the oldest continuously inhabited city in the world. Historical proof of the city origin is about 3000 years old. Its early history is that of first Aryan settlement in the middle Ganges Valley. By the 2nd millennium BC, Varanasi was seat of Aryan and was also a commercial and industrial center famous for its muslin and silk fibers, perfumes, ivory work and sculptures. From 1194 AD, for 300 years, many of the city's Hindu temples were destroyed during the period of foreign invaders, and the learned scholar fled to the other part of the country. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in 16th century brought some relief to the city religious and cultural activities. Varanasi became an independent kingdom in 18th century as Maratha sponsored a new revival, and under subsequent British rule it remained a commercial and a religious center. In 1910, the British made Varanasi a new state with Ramnagar as headquarters, but there was no jurisdiction over the city of Varanasi. In 1947, after Indian independence, the Varanasi became a part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. In reality, Kashi is the old name of the city, which was renamed as Varanasi. Kashi means city of light. Kashi has many names, however, the current name of the city is Varanasi based on two rivers, Varuna and Assi. It is also the place in the world which has 84 ghats, making it the city with the highest number of riverbanks in the world. Varanasi is a place which is well known for its ancient healing system of Ayurveda and Yoga. Some ardent poets were also born in the city, like Munshi Premchandra, Tulsidas, who had composed Hanuman Chalisa and Ramcharitmanas in Kashi. Varanasi is a city of light as well as city of temples. Currently, if we count, the number of temples in Varanasi is around 23,000. We can clearly confirm that in current world, Varanasi is famous for two things: learning and burning. Its significance in learning is marked by presence of Banaras Hindu University aka BHU, the largest university in Asia, founded by famous leader Madan Mohan Malviya. The university has a world-class education in all the disciplines of education. Varanasi is also famous for Liberation House, a pilgrimage for burning. People come to spend a last days in Varanasi and prefer a cremation here. It is a belief that Varanasi is a way to freedom for soul, a release from the constant recycle of rebirth. Other famous entities from Varanasi includes Banarsi silk. Varanasi is the largest seller of Banarsi silk. It can take up to 6 months to complete a piece of sari. Banarsi Pan, how can we forget that? The famous song Khai Ke Pan Banaras Wala. Street food of Varanasi is also very famous, right, starting from chaat, lassi, chura matar to many other. It's also a birthplace of famous legends like Ravi Shankar and Shehnai maestro Ustad Bismillah Khan, Pandit Kishan Maharaj, who was very famous for tabla. At the end, we cannot agree more by the quotation of Mark Twain. Banaras is older than history, older than tradition, older ever than legend, and looks twice old as put them together. Thank you.